Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to add music to Instagram story with multiple photos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open Instagram application. After that, click on add icon to add story from here. Then click on select button from here. After that, here you select your photos which you want to add to your story. So here I will select 3 photos. After selecting, then click on next button at the bottom right corner. After that, here you select layout. Now your story has been ready with multiple photos. Now if you want to add music to your story, then click on GIF icon from here. After that, here you select music. Then choose a music from here. After that, click on done. Then click on next icon at the bottom right corner. After that, click on share button from here. Now if you want to add your story to highlights, then click on add to highlights option. After that, here you can add a title for your highlights, and if you will click on add button, then your story will be added to highlights. After that, click on done button from here. Now your Instagram story has been successfully created with multiple pictures and music. So by this process, you can add music to your Instagram story with multiple photos. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.